Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix settings app missing on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, try to search your settings app on your home screen, and if you do not find it, go to your app library, which is all the way to the right. Then once you get to app library, tap on this search bar, then type on settings. This way you may find the app. Once you find the app, what you can do is long press the application, then drag and drop it to your home screen. Once you do that, you'll find the settings application on your home screen, just like this. And if you do not find the settings app in your app library, what you can do next is restarting your phone. To restart your phone, hold your power button and volume up button both at once, and once your screen blacks out, release those buttons. After a few minutes, turn your phone back on and check if the settings app is available or not. This way, you can fix this problem. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.